Okay, third point, let's a beam is bending like this. Okay, this is a curved beam. Okay, the force P is applied like this. Clear? Okay, this is the origin of the beam. O, this is length L, we can say radius. This is also length L, radius R. Okay, so this is length L. Okay, the moment produced about the origin is P into L, force and perpendicular distance, P into L. Okay, so this beam having the three support, 1, 2, 3, is all our roller support. Clear? Okay, this is the line of action of force, line of action. Clear? Okay, so what is external moment? External moment due to P force, due to force P about O, is P into force into perpendicular distance, P into L. Clear? So what is the resisting force? Then we have to provide a resisting force to balance this moment. Okay, so resisting moment due to the reactions, let's say this reaction is R1, this reaction is R2, this reaction is R3. Okay, reactions at the support about O, at the support about O. This is not force into perpendicular, but this force and this is not perpendicular, this is parallel. Okay, line of action, this is parallel, this is also parallel. So R1 into force into perpendicular distance 0, R2 into 0, R3 into 0, so all things is 0. So net moment, this and this having the net moment on structure is P into L, minus 0 is P into L only. Clear? So structure is under the effect of net moment. So it will create a rotation because it is movement, so rotational instability. So rotational instability due to concurrency of all the reaction occur, due to concurrency of all the reaction occurs. Clear? This thing is clear? Okay, so for 3D structure let's say this is 3D structure, this is X, this is Y, and this is Z. Clear? Clear? So there should be for 2D there is only three reactions. Okay, just Fx, Fy and Mz. Okay, but for the 3D structure there should be minimum 6 independent reaction at support. Okay, and this is the condition of stability. 6 independent reaction. Second one is non-parallel. Third one is non-concurrent. Fourth one is non-coplanar. Clear? What is non-coplanar? All the fx, I will say, एक minute, wait, fx is equal to 0, fy is equal to 0, mz is equal to 0, let's say my is equal to 0, summation of mx is equal to 0, summation of fz is equal to 0. Satisfy all these condition. Okay, so non-coplanar means the value of fx is different from the value of fy or value of fz. This is non-coplanar. In structure 2D we have satisfy the stability condition, having 3 reaction, non-parallel, non-concurrent. Okay, but in case of 3D structure, satisfy the condition 6 independent reaction, non-parallel, non-concurrent and non-coplanar. This is the finishing of the first lecture. Okay, so I will